Hey class, you're going to need this story. There's plenty of fish in the trees and a highlighter. So pause the video if you need to grab those two things. Now that you're ready, I want you to find question number 5. Question number 5. We're going to do two things today. We're going to read and analyze the prompt and review the text. So the first step in read and analyze the prompt is to read the prompt. The prompt is the question. It's what we're being asked. This is my prompt. To prove to me that you've read the prompt, you're going to highlight important things. So we'll do the first sentence together, and then I'm going to have you do the rest. So what would the story, so I'm writing a story, be like if it were told from the wife's point of view? That's pretty important. So read the rest and highlight what you find important. All right, now that you've read the prompt, you need to analyze the prompt. When we analyze the prompt, we're doing T-A-K. So pause the video and do your analyzing of the prompt. Okay, hopefully you have that finished. I went ahead and did it as well, so you can see what I have highlighted and compare it to what you have highlighted. Our topic, what we're going to be writing about, is we're going to be retelling this whole story from the wife's point of view. So that's going to be important to know, and you may be asked to do something similar to this on CMAS. And if we're asked to retell from another point of view, that means you have to tell the whole story again. So you'll see when we read the story, it's not just a couple paragraphs, it's a story, and it has to be from the wife's point of view. Our audience is students/adults. Our other keywords that I found were setting, events, how they'll change, and details. So make sure your TAK is similar to mine. If you need to pause the video to do that, please do. After you're finished, you're going to head to the very beginning again. Very first page. I now want you to read the entire story. As you're reading the story, you need to review the text. When you're reviewing the text, you're highlighting. This story might actually have a lot highlighted. Not every word's going to be highlighted, but you're kind of going to be highlighting the plot. So what are the big things that are happening throughout the story? So that is your assignment for today. When you're finished, this whole thing needs to be back in your unfinished work folder, so you have it for your next lesson.